It is with pleasure that we join the Chief of Naval Staff, Vice Admiral Emmanuel Gala, to welcome to Lagos the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Kashim Shettima Mustapha GCON, to the opening ceremony of the International Maritime Conference, a cornerstone of the 2024 Nigerian Navy Week celebration. This occasion marks not only a celebration of the achievements and contribution of the Nigerian Navy, but also a testament to our collective commitment to maritime security, cooperation, and development. It is therefore very pleasing to welcome heads of navies and Coast Guard from friendly countries who will be made to understand from Brazil, from China, from Cameroon. Also members of the Federal Executive Council are here, the executive governors and royal fathers, to welcome you to Lagos, a state of aquatic splendor and of center of excellence, to celebrate this 2024 Navy Week. Today we must reflect on the significant strides the Nigerian Navy has made in safeguarding our nation's waters, protecting our maritime resources, and ensuring the safety and security of maritime activities in our country and beyond. Nigerian Navy dedication and bravery have been pivotal in combating piracy, smuggling, and other maritime threats, contributing to peace and stability of our region. This event therefore commemorates our rich maritime heritage and highlights the crucial role that maritime plays in our nation's development and our state's strategic significance in the maritime industry, both locally and internationally. As we therefore gather here to celebrate our maritime heritage and commemorate the Nigerian Navy Week, it is essential for us to acknowledge the professionalism, dedication, courage, and sacrifice of our naval officers. Let me tell you that Nigerians appreciate you. Your service is the bedrock of our maritime security and the source of national pride. Let us also therefore remember those who have made the ultimate sacrifice in the line of duty. Their legacy must inspire us to strive for excellence and to uphold the values that they fought to protect. Lagos, as a bustling port city, thrives on the efficiency and safety of maritime activities. Our ports are the lifeline of not just our state, but the entire country, facilitating trades and contributing significantly to our GDP. Therefore, it is imperative that as a state, we must support initiatives aimed at enhancing maritime security and fostering international partnership towards harnessing the huge potential in our blue economy. As a government, we will continue to acknowledge and show appreciation to all our military officers, both serving and retired, so that their efforts and sacrifice will and must not be forgotten. This appreciative attitude on our part is particularly imperative at this period that our nation and the world is filled with challenges of various cadre. As we deliberate here, let us be mindful of the need for a holistic approach that encompasses economic growth, environmental stewardship, and security. By working together, especially with our sister countries that are here, we can harness the full potential of our maritime sector, driving innovation and ensuring prosperity for future generations. Once again, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the naval officers for your service and sacrifice, and to all the participants for your dedication to advancing maritime excellence. Let us use this conference as an opportunity to deepen our understanding, strengthen our partnership, and chart a course for a more secure and prosperous maritime future. Together, we can overcome the challenges that lie ahead and ensure that our seas remain safe and secure for generations yet unborn. Finally, again, I congratulate the Chief of Naval Staff, Vice Admiral Emmanuel Gala. I extend my deepest appreciation to the organizers of the success of the 2024 Nigerian Naval Week and the 68th anniversary celebration. The leadership of the Nigerian Navy and our international partners for their unwavering support and commitment. Your presence here in Lagos today is a testament to the strong bonds of friendship and cooperation that we cherish and will continue to build upon. And therefore I commend the organizers and I wish everybody well. Thank you, God bless you all, and welcome to Lagos. Thank you very much.